Here are some questions in which you have faced problem while solving your test. So your question number 1 is the cube root of minus 0.02. We will multiply this number 3 times, and when you multiply these numbers 3 times you will get your answer minus 0.000008. How you will mark this sign minus? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. It is 3 times. Odd numbers. When the sign of minus is odd number times, then it automatically becomes the negative sign. Next question. 3 minus 1.35 cube. First of all, you will subtract these numbers. You will get 1.65, and then cube of 1.65. Multiply this number 3 times because here power is 3. 1.65 multiply 1.65 multiply 1.65. You will get your answer 4.492126. And how you have to mark this point in your answer? You will simply count after this decimal. How many digits are there? 2. Here 2 and here also 2. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. Count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will leave 6 digits from right to left and mark the point. Then question number 3. Cube root of 1,75,616 by estimation method. First of all, you will divide this number into 2 groups. These last 3 digits, these digits always form group number 1, and rest of the digits, that is the second group. Now first of all, we will take first group 616. Take unit place number. Here only this unit place number 6. Find the cube of 6. It means you will multiply 6 3 times. 6 multiply 6 multiply 6, and you will get 216. Then in answer you will write this unit place number here as a unit place number in answer. But we don't know this number, what will be the number in answer. To find this number, let's take group number 2. In group number 2, what you will do, you will write 175 and you will take the cube of number, which is 1 should be less than 175 and other should be greater than. So I have written 125 less than 175 less than 216. We can write it as 5 cube less than 175 less than 6 cube. Which is the smallest from these two numbers? We know that 5 is smallest, and you will write this 5 on this missing place, this missing number. Here you will write 5. This 6 we have taken from here, 6. This is the answer. Cube root of 1,75,616 is 56. Your next question is cube root of 0.064 minus cube root of 0. This is 0.1. First of all, you will remove the decimal. You will write 64/1000 because here there are 3 digits after this decimal. So you will write here 3 zeros with 1 minus cube root of 1 over 1000. Here I have removed point in the same way. Then prime factorization, or you can simply say that you have to make the group of 3 same numbers. 64 is the cube of 4. I can write it as 4 into 4 into 4, and to 1000 10 into 10 into 10, and minus here 1 into 1 into 1 over 10 into 10 into 10. Then 1 4 from here and 1 10 from here. 4 over 10 minus from here 1 and from here 10. 1 over 10. By taking LCM, you will write here 10, then 4 minus 1, and you know very well how we take LCM. Subtract these numbers, it will be 3 over 10. Because our question is in decimals, so our answer should also be in decimal. Change this number into decimal. So what you will do? You will write 0.3, because here it is only 1 0. So you will mark the point only by leaving one digit from right to left. Same here. See this question. Cube root of 4090 multiply by minus 343. Take the minus sign out of cube root and write these two numbers like this. Then find the prime factors of these numbers. See here I have found the prime factors. See, and then prime factors of 343 here I have found. Then make the group of 3 numbers, triplets. Write all the prime factors. Here I have written all the prime factors here. Then I have written this sign minus here. Write minus 1 2 from this group of 3, 1 from this, 1 from this, and 1 from this, and 1 from this group of minus 7. When you will multiply these numbers, you will get 112. And in the same way, next question. We have already solved this type of question, but some students were having problems. This is cube root, sign of cube root. Cube root of 36, then cube root of 72, cube root of 27. Prime factors of 27. Then the cube root of 27 is 3. See here, I have taken 1 3 from this group of 3, from this triplet. This is cube root of 36. Then I wrote cube root of 72. Then I wrote this cube root of 27 is 3. Now make the factor of 72. Factors of 72. See here, when I made the prime factors, I got this triplet of 2, but I am having only these 2 here. Write these all prime factors here in cube root. 1 2 3 and 1 2. See here, 1 2 3 2's. I have written here 1 2 3. Then I have only these 2 3's here. I have written this 3, this 3. I have written here. Now these are the triplets. Take 1 2 I have taken here, then I have taken 3 here. Then prime factors of 36. What are the prime factors of 36? When you find, you will find 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. And these 2 and 3 I have written here. These are. Now make the triplet with the help of this number, and I have made these two groups. See here, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Then 1 2 from this group and 1 3 from this group. Multiply it, you will get 6. Your next question. This is cube root of 2 minus 3 upon 64. First of all, we will take LCM of these two numbers. I can write it as 2 over 1 minus 3 over 68. 64. Take the LCM of these two numbers. It is 64. Then divide this 64 by 1. You will get 64. Multiply 64 by 2. You will get 128. Minus, divide 64 by 64. You will get 1. Multiply 1 by 3. You will get 3. Now subtract these two numbers. You will get 125 over 64. Make the factors of these numbers 5 into 5 into 5 and 4 into 4 into 4. Take 1 5 from here and 1 4 from here. You will get your answer. This is your answer.